How to create a VN account. So if you want to create a VN account, then first make sure that you have installed the application. Once you've installed the application from your Play Store or your App Store, you need to simply open up your VN and tap on allow. And once you tap on allow, now here you will have your dashboard, right? So you can simply go for the profile, which is on the bottom right, and here you will have please login or register option. Tap on that, and from here you can log in or register. You can simply go for sign up, which is on the upper right. Once you tap on sign up, it will ask you to create your account. So enter your username, enter your email address, and then enter your password. So create a password, a strong password. And once you've created the password, you need to tap on the box or the circle, which is I agree to the terms and services, and then tap on sign up. And that's it. Once you tap on sign up, it will automatically create your account. So that's how you can create a VN account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.